Hello, I'm Linda, and here is a lesson about feminism. Okay? The lesson includes some vocabulary, reading, a quiz, and writing at the end. Ready? First, some questions to think about or make notes. You can pause to make your notes. 4 questions. How important is feminism? What did feminists fight for in the past? What are feminists fighting for now? And is feminism fighting for the same things all over the world? What are some of the different issues? Pause and think, make notes. Ready to continue? Okay. Some vocabulary first. 5 words on the left in red. You need to match them to the definitions on the right. Pause to do that. Okay. Here are the answers. I'll go through the words. 1 is beard, 2 moustache, 3 polygamy, 4 illiterate, and 5 to ban. These words will come up in the readings in a minute. Okay, an interesting picture. What do you think is happening here and why? Okay, so here are 3 summaries. You need to read the short article and decide which of these summaries is the best. Okay, you can pause to read these. Okay, ready? 2 slides to find your answer. The first. Okay. And the second. Okay. So which of those summaries do you think is the best? In fact, all of them are true, A, B, and C. I think the final one, C, is probably the most general. But women are angry that men are more important than them and want to protest, and they wear the beard so they can look as important as men and can get into important meetings. Good idea. Okay, here's another article. What do you think is happening here and why? Okay, this is the headline. India's Muslim women say no second wife. What do you think the article will be about? Okay, so there's 2 ideas and 2 groups of women. What do you think the 2 groups of women, 1 and 2, think about polygamy and girls getting married very young? On the next slide, you can read to find the answers. Are you ready? Okay. So what do you think the educated middle-class Muslim women in India wanted? In this survey, they didn't want to change the law. They wanted to keep polygamy and child marriage. And the poor illiterate Muslim women in India, they wanted to stop polygamy and teen marriage. Again, very interesting. How much do you know about women, men, equality? Here is a quiz. You have 6 questions, and I want you to pause the video and see how many answers you can get. Okay? So to find your answers, you need to go to this infographic. You can find the original in issue 474 of eewiki.newint.org, or you can see it here. A very interesting infographic with many, many facts for feminists about equal rights, opportunity, political power, freedom from violence, reproductive rights, and all these issues that women are still fighting for today. Okay. So you have a writing task. Imagine you have a 5-year-old daughter, maybe you do. Write a letter to her and tell her a little about feminism around the world and about what she, as a girl, can expect to do in her life. If you like, you can include information from the 2 readings and from the infographic. Okay? And finally, your follow-up is to read more about feminism. There are lots of many interesting articles about various aspects of feminism in the eewiki.newint.org in issue 474. For example, Feminist Spring, Plastic Surgery, FGM, older and younger feminists, and this idea of new feminism. Okay, enjoy the readings.